up, y'all? I'm gonna show you my fireworks stash this year, 2024. Gotta get the cases of Master 5s. And then the rest is all these freaking 1-1s. Here we got Deuce. The Master 400. Our 100 shot. Banger. And then we got King Hopper right here. Baseball. Compound cake, not too bad, not too bad. I'm gonna kill shot now. King Hop, 2020, 360 shot. This year for the finale, we're gonna have 3 of these gold cakes. A bunch of kids at Moonlight Party here. Hawaiian Sunset. They got a Riverboat Gambler over here. Masterpiece 200 shot. Perfect Storm. Got that kid. A Charging Bueno monster truck. Can't forget the cliffhanger. Gotta have the Kulakuino. Gotta get those huge strobing effects with them. And then part of the finale with Master Thunder Brocade, we're gonna have Eruption. Huge gas 2.75 water. Look at that. But yeah, guys, this is it. This is all it for this year.